Hey friends, if you wish to make VLC the default media player in Windows, then please watch this video. If you wish to know how to install VLC, we have a separate video on that, please watch it. But now as of present, I am assuming that VLC is installed on your system and you wish to make it the default media player. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select default apps. Now scroll down to VLC, okay, and click on the forward pointing arrow associated with it. These are the file types of which VLC is the default media player. It will show the VLC icon, and for the rest it is Windows media player. Now let's say that I need to make it the default media player for the AMR type. Click on this button here and select VLC. Easy, right? But there's another easier method as well, because if you were to search for specific formats, that would need a lot of time. So I'll show you. Okay, let's say I need to make VLC the default media player for all MP file type MP4 files. So pick one MP4 file, right click on it, select open with, select choose another app, select VLC media player, and then click on always. Okay, and when you click on always, you will notice that it has become the default media player for all MP4 files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.